Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send USDT from Bitget exchange to Telegram wallet. First of all, you need to open your Telegram wallet and select Add Crypto. And then you need to select the third option, which is External Wallet, and choose dollars USDT, which is first option. Right here, there are two networks. You can send your USDT using TRC20 network or TON network. So for example, guys, let's use TON network. Let's copy this wallet address and let's go to the Bitget exchange. Now we need to go to the assets on the bottom right menu, then click withdraw. From here, you need to select USDT and select on-chain withdrawal. Now we need to select the network, which is Toncoin Ton network. In this case, we need to paste the wallet address right here. As you can see, minimum withdrawal amount is 10. So let's, for example, send 10 USDT and click the withdraw button. As you can see, memo tag is required, but there is no memo tag in Telegram wallet. So this is a unique wallet address and we don't need to paste the tag. Just enter NA inside the tag and click withdraw. Then select confirm and you need to verify the transaction. As you can see, guys, we successfully sent our USDT from Bitget exchange to Telegram wallet. Now we need to wait a few minutes and I'll show you the result. As you can see, guys, in just 5 minutes I received my money on my Telegram wallet, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.